How to join a private channel on Telegram without an invitation link. Hello Telegram users, interested in joining a private channel but don't have an invitation link? Let's explore how to request access and join a private channel on Telegram without an invitation link. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app and use the search bar to look for the private channel you want to join. Enter the channel's name or keywords related to its content to narrow down your search. Once you've found the private channel, tap on it to open its profile. Look for the Join button or an option to send a message to the channel administrator. Tap on it to send or join a request message to the channel admin. In the Join Request message, introduce yourself briefly and explain why you're interested in joining the channel. Be polite and respectful in your message to increase the chances of your request being approved by the channel admin. After sending the joint request message, patiently wait for the channel admin to review and approve your request. This process may take some time depending on the channel's policies and the admin's availability. Once your join request is approved, you'll receive an invitation to join the private channel. You'll see a notification or a message in your Telegram inbox inviting you to join the channel. Tap on the invitation message to accept it and join the private channel. You'll be directed to the channel's profile where you can start exploring the content and engage with other members. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to join a private channel on Telegram without an invitation link. Remember to be patient and respect throughout the process, and enjoy exploring the content and interacting with other members in the channel. Happy chatting. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.